I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to the Environmental Report. You may have never heard of aggregates before, but they are essential to daily life. Without them, we wouldn't have highways, hospitals, airports, or any of the structures we rely on every day.
Aggregates are a term used to describe crushed and processed stone. This stone is used as a primary ingredient in concrete and asphalt used for our everyday life for building and construction.
Founded by Belinda and Dean Soylan, the BoDean Company is a major provider of aggregates to the Northern California Bay Area. Here at their Mark West Quarry, explosives liberate huge quantities of rock from the hillside. The rock is then crushed and processed, sorted, washed, and loaded onto a truck, either to be sold or used in concrete and asphalt.
The quarry started back in the early 1900s. Horse-drawn wagons were backed up to the hillside and material was classified as it rolled down the hill. It was fairly convenient and easy for them to shovel material onto their wagons and haul it down the creekside trail that led back to Santa Rosa and down to Calistoga.
Well, our experience with BoDean Company through the years has actually been very positive. We enjoy doing business with local companies as much as we can, especially those that are environmentally sensitive and have sustainable business practices as much as BoDean does. So we certainly enjoy doing business with them.
The quarry has fully maximized water conservation using a closed-loop system in their wash plant facility to recapture 99% of water for recycling. In 2011, the Mark West Quarry became the first in the world to rely 100% on solar power. The photo-voltaic system is capable of generating 1.2 million kilowatt hours of green energy annually, offsetting over 1 million pounds of carbon dioxide a year. In the interest of further reducing their impact, land is reclaimed currently with mining so that as soon as operations have ceased, sites are returned to a natural or functional use such as agriculture or recreation.
Whenever we utilize water or resources in the mining process, we have to keep eco-efficiency in mind. For instance, instead of cutting down a tree that might be in the path of new mining, the preferred approach would be to transplant that tree. So utilizing resources in the most eco-efficient manner is a central tenet here at BoDean Company.
After being quarried and processed, some aggregates head over to BoDean's asphalt production plant, where asphalt is mixed along with recycled materials from old roads. While asphalt is usually prepared as a hot mix, BoDean's batch plant is one of the first to use a mechanical foaming system to create warm mix asphalt. A single cup of atomized water is injected into the mix, creating millions of micro bubbles in the asphalt and causing it to foam. The foaming process allows asphalt to be produced at lower temperatures and prevent the emission of hazardous fumes, saving not only on energy, but on the impact of air quality as well.
This new technology is important to me and the people that I work with because it takes less energy, less fuel, less waste, and less emissions, and gives us a longer time to work this material.
The company has incorporated biodiesel fuels to run heavy equipment and currently operates its offices under solar power.
I think the industry is going to be challenged going forward. There's going to be a lot of emphasis on conservation of resources and the efficient utilization of resources. So we're going to see locally produced, local source products, and you're going to see a higher percentage of recycled content in many products.